Hi, my name is Audrey Wallace. During the pandemic, my family tried to bake bread, but we ran out of yeast. When my mom could finally buy yeast again, it came in a big box instead of a little jar. It said it was the fastest growing yeast, but so did the one my mom used to use. So it made me wonder, which yeast actually grows the fastest?
Yeast is a single-celled organism. It is used to make bread and cakes rise. Yeast converts sugar and starch into carbon dioxide and ethanol. The carbon dioxide gas makes the dough rise. I wanted to try out 4 different kinds of rapid rise yeast to see which one actually grew the fastest. My hypothesis was that the bread machine yeast would be the fastest because it says it's the best for rapid rise recipes.
For the experiment, I measured 11 grams of sugar into 4 small bowls. Then I measured 11 grams of yeast into 4 other small bowls. I made sure to tare the weight of my bowls before I poured in my ingredients. Then I measured 8 ounces of 110-degree water into 4 plastic measuring cups. With the help of my family, we poured in a bowl of sugar and a bowl of yeast at the same time and stirred. Then we set timers for 2, 5, and 10 minutes to check how much the yeast has grown. Every time the timer went off, we marked how much the yeast has grown with a marker. We did this experiment 3 more times and got some definite results.
My first experiment was a fail. I used water from our water machine, but it was too hot and it killed the yeast. So I had to use tap water for the other experiments. Can you guess which yeast actually grew the fastest? Well, it was bread machine yeast. It's second set of bars on my chart. I noticed the temperature of my kitchen also changed the results of the growth. For experiment 2, it was 74 degrees in my house. For experiment 3 and 4, it was only 72 degrees in my house. But that didn't affect the final results. Even though the bread machine yeast grew the fastest, we liked the flavor of the staff instant yeast the best. We used all 4 types of yeast to make rolls for Thanksgiving dinner. The rolls looked all about the same and were all delicious, but the dough made from the staff instant yeast tasted the best. It's really fun to mix and watch the yeast grow.